Greetings, my name is Alex Rodriguez. I've been starting a campaign on how to make a hard drive that is adaptable to any iOS device. I've been having these problems before where I just ran out of storage with 16 gigabytes on an iPhone 5, iPhone 5S or C, or even just a simple iPhone 6 or 6S Plus or so on. And I really had a frustration of how slow the CPU it was itself, although it was impressive at the time it was released. The storage itself, every time I want to buy the iPhone was so expensive, I had to buy the iPhone itself. Like for example, the cheapest one, which was just 16 gigabytes of hard drive. So I decided to invent a way so I can adapt a hard drive just like this one, and this is a Washington Digital Caviar Black 1 terabyte, and install it directly into an iPhone. But instead of just being like something retarded like this, I just wanted to do like a slimmer version of a hard drive. So I've been trying to also make a higher clock speed of the CPU, although it can go up to 1.9 gigahertz, which is almost freaking computer-like and impressive. But I really wanted to install a CPU just like this one, for example, and this one just goes all the way up to 3.9 gigahertz. And it's been a long year for me developing this for so much time, and I finally made it to where I wanted to be, and so thus the iPhone expander comes in. I gotta say, I mean, he made it true. He made his dream come true. He actually expanded the storage, make the phone even look better. This project is gonna go really far, and I can promise you one thing: it's just beautiful. This has never been tried before. I mean, this is the first time ever. What amazes me is not if you really sincerely don't like it exactly how it is. At the end product, you can always it's edible now. Thanks to technology, we can actually eat even glass, metal, and so on. It's beautiful how science works. I just can't believe it.